Hello students, today we will learn how to use calculator to solve simultaneous equations. For this purpose I will be using three different models of Casio calculator. Okay, the first one is Casio FX991MS. The second one is Casio FX991ES Plus, and third one is Casio FX991EX. Let us take the simultaneous equation of two unknowns, a1x plus b1y is equal to c1 and a2x plus b2y is equal to c2. In these equations there are only two unknowns. So for example, we have taken these equations: 3i1 minus 3i2 is equal to 2 and 9i1 plus 12i2 is equal to 4. So value of a1 should be 3, value of b1 should be minus 3, value of c1 should be 2. Okay, so see how to change the mode in your calculator. First, turn on your calculator and press this mode button. Again press it till you get this display. Now equation, EQN means equation, and below that number digit 1 is mentioned, is displayed. So press this button 1, number 1. Now it is asking number of unknowns. Now in our equation there are two unknowns, so press 2. Now it is asking for the value of a1. What is a1's value in our equation? A1's value in our equation is 3. Okay, so press 3, then equal to. b1 is minus 3. Use this button to write minus, then 3. Minus 3, then equal to. c1's value is 2. Press 2 again, then a2 is 9, again equal to, b2 is 12, again equal to, c2 is 4. So all the values are fed. Now you get the value of x. So x is equal to 0.57. So your I1 value, your value for this I1 is equal to 0.57. Value for your I2, to get I2 value, again press equal to, you will get the value of I2. It is displayed as x, y. Okay, so you will get the value of I2 as I2 is equal to minus 0.095. We'll again see same calculations in this model, that is 991ES plus. Okay, again turn on your calculator, then press mode button. Here in this case a list of modes is displayed. Now EQN is at number 5, so press 5. Here you have to compare your equation with the given list of equation. In first equation 1 there are two unknowns. Our equation is also of two unknowns, so let us press 1. Here the display is in matrix form. Okay, so first digit is 3, then equal to, again minus 3, equal to 2. The cursor will automatically go down to second row. 9, again equal to, then 12, again press equal to, and 4. Press equal to. You have fed all the values. Now press equal to. Your x value is displayed as 4 by 7. 4 by 7. So now I don't want it in this form. press SD. Your answer is 0.571, which is exactly similar to that of the previous answer. Again press equal to, you will get y is equal to minus 2 by 21. Press convert it into fraction. Okay. You will get again minus 0.095, exactly same as that of the previous case. Okay, so we will repeat the calculations with this calculator, that is 991EX. Okay, again follow the same procedure. Turn on your calculator and press mode button. Here some display will be there. Now press this downward arrow side. Equation slash function is displayed. Once you have selected that, press equal to. It will ask whether you want to solve simultaneous equation or polynomial. We want to solve simultaneous equation, which is given as line 1. So 1. Now it is asking number of unknowns. Here we have 2 unknowns, so press 2. So here your equation will be displayed as you write in notebook. So our first term is 3 and equal to and minus 3, press equal to 2 equal to. Second row is 9 equal to 12 equal to 4. So this is how the equation will be displayed. This is how we write it, and exactly similar way it will be displayed. Okay. Now press equal to. To get the answer, press equal to. Okay. Then convert. You will get exactly same answer, that is 0.57. Again press equal to, and second answer is minus 0.095. So this is how we can use calculators to solve simultaneous equations.